Dream Team sa KKK Family. Natupad natin yung 50 million views! So, thank you guys for all the effort. Thank you guys for all the streams. Maraming salamat. From the bottom of my heart, I just want to say thank you. And this next song, Welcome to Bar 9. I just want to give a shout out to Alex, Val, Joseph, John, Lloyd, and Jessica. Asa ba sila? Dito sila? Dito? Alright. Okay. So, shout out to you guys. Alright, so kung susunod na kanta, these next two songs that I'm going to sing, I have had the pleasure of working with Tito Benny. Tito Benny says Turn on the Grave, and these two songs that I'm about to sing are very, very special to my heart. Para sa mga in love, para sa mga naghahanap ng pag-ibig. Kasi minsan, naghahanap ka ng pag-ibig, minsan nagkakalitin, di ba? Pero, yung hinahanap mo pala, yung German passion. And it was very timely of this song that I just want to be really to each and every one of you guys. If you know the lyrics, please do sing. Miss me, this one is for you. I'm so Thank you. Maraming salamat! Alright. Now, hindi pwede hindi kantahin itong susunod na kanta.